Ito pa yung mga ingredients dun sa soup. Ginger, carrot, celery, scallion, shiitake mushroom, parsley, saka curly parsley. Okay? Tapos, fish stocks yan. Okay? Lagyan nyo na yung ginger. Saka yung mushroom. Then, with starch. A little bit of fish sauce. Tapos lagay nyo na yung fish ball. Tapos lagay nyo na lahat. Except lang yung scallion. There you have it. Fish ball. Thank you. Bye-bye.